Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to split the bill with Zelle using US Bank. First thing I want you to do once you are logged into your app, scroll all the way down, click here on transfer and pay. And then what I want you to do here under payments and bills, select send and request money with Zelle. What I need you to do now is click here on split a bill, and then I want you to select the recipient. Of course, you can add one by clicking on this. We'll select this recipient right here. And then what I want you to do is choose how to contact them. We'll use their phone number right here. And then what I need you to do is go ahead and click here on next. And then you enter the amount you would like to split. So you enter that right there. You can request up to $1,000 right now. You enter that amount right here. Let's say $60. Click here on done. And then click here on review. You'll see how it will be split among each person. So we review that, and then you'll see the total request amount from these recipients. Then click on split. They'll add up to $60 including you. So we're requesting $45. You can click here on done. The money has been requested. But that is how to split the bill with Zelle using US Bank. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Answer Unlocked. We'll see you in the next one.